Welcome to CouponBet, the travel agency organizer. And in this video, I have a specific question for you. Imagine you have a customer and the customer says, please call me back on the following number, which starts with 0926. So my question is right away, do you know which network that is? And if you don't, no worries. In CouponBet, we can find the answer in a matter of seconds. So first of all, you have to log in on CouponBet, and once you're logged in, you can see here the dashboard, and what we need is the tools tips of the tools section. So we go to the tools tab, we click on the tools, and here we will see every tool right now available on CouponBet. And what we need to do is we need to scroll down to the bottom, and here all down you can see here the provider prefix checker, and that's exactly what we need to know. We need to know which telecom provider the prefix 0926 is. So all we need to do is to type in here 0926, and there you are. So you can see instantly this is from Globe Telecom. So this is the way how CouponBet helps you to organize your travel agency by giving your travel agency all the useful tips to serve your customers better. And if you like CouponBet and you want to organize your travel agency with CouponBet, go to couponbet.com and register for an account right away.